JD Cap here, just do the cooking, and we're doing some cooking, yeah. And we've got a bud of garlic here, and we've got a new garlic press. See that? We're not going to actually press any garlic, but I'm going to show you this device right here. Okay, you put the garlic in the tube like that, and you roll it like this. Okay, you take it out, and you got a garlic that's all skinned. See that? It's all skinned like that. So you can get this on eBay, this garlic press, and it's got the nice rod-like levers to it. So when you go to press garlic, it really comes out here very well. It's not curved. If it's curved, it's hard to press the garlic. So get something with a straight handle, I recommend. I wish they would make the holes a little bit slightly bigger in these garlic presses so it comes out a little bit better. But let me tell you, this little device here, if you can make something like this, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, cut it out a piece of thin tubing. It's about, I don't know what mil that is, and put it together, glue it together. You can skin your own garlic. So I want to show you that today, and hope you're having a nice day. And please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And have a great day.